With the mature application of communication technology, communication in groups require more instant, efficient, and simple, so every moment matters. When at work and go out, we all long for every communication, not blocked by space, not disturbed by the environment, not delayed. Let our needs be heard clearly at the first time. RETEVIS walkie-talkie. Listen carefully to every customer's voices. Understand deeply the demands and make it happen in the different scene applications. Offer longer distance transmission solutions. Deliver crystal clear and dependable voice. Help you finish barrier-free communication. Together with our employees, customers, and partners, we work together for better communication. For industrial, for construction site, for hospitality, RETEVIS walkie-talkie boost your business running smoothly and efficiently in the desert, in snowy mountains, in the forest. RETEVIS walkie-talkie help you conquer every moment. For critical rescue moment, for extreme weather moment, for emergency preparations moment. RETEVIS walkie-talkie work together with you for a greater value. RETEVIS walkie-talkie committed to the scene applications of communication technology. Make communication easier. RETEVIS. We are together. With the mature application of communication technology, communication in groups require more instant, efficient, and simple, so every moment matters. When at work and go out, we all long for every communication, not blocked by space, not disturbed by the environment, not delayed. Let our needs be heard clearly at the first time. RETEVIS walkie-talkie. Listen carefully to every customer's voices. Understand deeply the demands and make it happen in the different scene applications. Offer longer distance transmission solutions. Deliver crystal clear and dependable voice. Help you finish barrier-free communication. Together with our employees, customers, and partners, we work together for better communication. For industrial, for construction site, for hospitality, RETEVIS walkie-talkie boost your business running smoothly and efficiently in the desert, in snowy mountains, in the forest. RETEVIS walkie-talkie help you conquer every moment. For critical rescue moment, for extreme weather moment, for emergency preparations moment. RETEVIS walkie-talkie work together with you for a greater value. RETEVIS walkie-talkie committed to the scene applications of communication technology. Make communication easier. RETEVIS. We are together. With the mature application of communication technology, communication in groups require more instant, efficient, and simple, so every moment matters. When at work and go out, we all long for every communication, not blocked by space, not disturbed by the environment, not delayed. Let our needs be heard clearly at the first time. RETEVIS walkie-talkie. Listen carefully to every customer's voices. Understand deeply the demands and make it happen in the different scene applications. Offer longer distance transmission solutions. Deliver crystal clear and dependable voice. Help you finish barrier-free communication. Together with our employees, customers, and partners, we work together for better communication. For industrial, for construction site, for hospitality, RETEVIS walkie-talkie boost your business running smoothly and efficiently in the desert, in stony mountains, in the forest. RETEVIS walkie-talkie help you conquer every moment. For critical rescue moment, for extreme weather moment, for emergency preparations moment. RETEVIS walkie-talkie work together with you for a greater value. RETEVIS walkie-talkie committed to the scene applications of communication technology. Make communication easier. RETEVIS. We are together. With the mature application of communication technology, communication in groups require more instant, efficient, and simple, so every moment matters. When network can go out, we all long for every communication, not blocked by space, not disturbed by the environment, not delayed. Let our needs be heard clearly at the first time. RETEVIS walkie-talkie. Listen carefully to every customer's voices. Understand deeply the demands and make it happen in the different scene applications. Offer longer distance transmission solutions. Deliver crystal clear and dependable voice. Help you finish barrier-free communication. Together with our employees, customers, and partners, we work together for better communication. For industrial, for construction site, for hospitality, RETEVIS walkie-talkie boost your business running smoothly and efficiently in the desert, in stony mountains, in the forest. RETEVIS walkie-talkie help you conquer every moment. For critical rescue moment, for extreme weather moment, for emergency preparations moment. RETEVIS walkie-talkie work together with you for a greater value. RETEVIS walkie-talkie committed to the scene applications of communication technology. Make communication easier. RETEVIS. We are together. With the mature application of communication technology, communication in groups require more instant, efficient, and simple, so every moment matters. When network can go out, we all long for every communication, not blocked by space, not disturbed by the environment, not delayed. Let our needs be heard clearly at the first time. RETEVIS walkie-talkie. Listen carefully to every customer's voices. Understand deeply the demands and make it happen in the different scene applications. Offer longer distance transmission solutions. Deliver crystal clear and dependable voice. Help you finish barrier-free communication. Together with our employees, customers, and partners.
我这儿它变形了，给今天来，不用，就这样。 everyone. Hi. Hi, we're live now. We're live now. Hi, who is here with us today? Welcome to the live stream. Okay, drop a hi in the comments, everyone. If you can hear me, please drop a hi in the comments. Let me know. Hi. Everybody, can you hear me? Please drop a hi in the comments. Okay. Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to the 418 Ham Radio Live Global Connection. So good to have you here. We have got exciting updates, hot products, and giveaways today. And here is what's coming. And first up, we will revealing major upgrades to the Ailunce HA1 UV that you have been all asking about. We will answer your burning question live. And then it's our special guest event. And they will join us to share real user experience with Ailunce HA1 UV. It's honest talk. And then we're gonna celebrate 418 Amateur Radio Day with our DMR Radio QSO event. And then it's a limited time offer. Yes, you will get $10 off on orders over $200. And plus, surprise giveaways dropping throughout the stream. Stay tuned, everyone. Okay, today's stream is packed with surprise, but the DMR QSO event is what I'm most happy for. Get ready to connect. We'll be tuning into the TG91. Everyone, TG91, don't miss it. Okay, hey guys, we're gonna be a quick recap. Since its launch, the Ailunce HA1 UV has been loved by many people. 2 months in, it's been getting good reviews and love in the comments. But today, we are keeping it 100% real. We have got one real Ailunce HA1 UV owners and YouTubers here today to share their experience. Welcome. Hi.
Good evening. Good morning for you.
Yeah,
good evening
morning.
Here in the United States.
Yeah, morning. Okay, let's dive in. Let's meet today's guest. The guest one is one of our Ailunce HA1 users, Scott Weaver. Welcome. Hi, Scott.
Hey, pleasure to be here.
Yeah, and it's our guest too, a YouTuber actively creating the content on disaster communications. Glayton.
Hey, thank you guys for having me. Thank you. Excited to be here with you guys.
Yeah, okay. Thank you both for joining our live stream. We are absolutely thrilled to have you here, and we have excited to hear the insights and the stories you will share with us today. And now, please introduce yourself. You too, and here's Scott Weaver. Hi, Scott Weaver. Yeah,
Hey.
Please introduce yourself first.
All right. Thank you, Julia. Appreciate it. I tell you, folks, no one was more surprised than me to be invited to this event. I've been a long-time radio enthusiast. Interest in ham radio, believe it or not, started out back in the 1970s. Family friend exposed me to ham radio. Was really interested, but not ready to make the move forward at that point, of course. But over the years, I enjoyed AM broadcast DXing, shortwave listening, and scanning the public safety bands. And, you know, life happens, but finally in the early 2000s, when I was in my 30s, I went ahead and took that technician exam and earned my ham radio license here. I'm in North Carolina, United States. Over time, I've upgraded to general and then to my extra class license. Emergency communications and public assistance with things such as parades in the community, athletic events, triathlons, things like that have been key events that I've always supported, in addition to being really enjoying the social and technical aspect of the hobby. I kind of did things backwards compared to a lot of people. Also obtained my GMRS license several years ago. I found that being a good way to meet those that are really new to the hobby and weren't sure if they wanted to become a ham, and help them provide my knowledge as others did me as I started this journey to cultivate their knowledge, and if interested, transition into ham radio or continue to expand their knowledge in GMRS. Regardless, either of those services is a solid alternative communication means in disasters. Kind of unique. I worked for almost 30 years in the electrical distribution industry. Most of that time was spent designing and pricing large projects. So very strong electrical background as a career, but an electronics background as a hobby over all these years. But that volunteer service that I was providing with my ham and GMRS background actually led to me changing careers several years ago, and now work in public safety dispatch 911 centers. So interesting way to tie the hobby into a career, a second career. I'm approaching retirement, and I can say since I made that change several years ago, I haven't worked a day in my life. Find what you truly love doing. You'll never work again. I can attest that's true. I'll currently enjoy a wide range of the radio hobby, including GMRS, as I mentioned. I do have my own local coverage repeater here as a service for the community and my family. I'll enjoy amateur radio in the areas of FM voice, DMR and fusion in the digital modes. I've got my own little all-star node here. And of course, the HF bands. And again, I'm about 25 miles west of Charlotte, North Carolina. I'll amateur call W4EV, Whiskey 4 Echo Victor. And then on GMRS, you can find me as WRAI 656. That's a good little overview of me and who I am and what I'm about. You can see it's not a fancy studio here. Not a huge social media presence, not a YouTuber or influencer. And that's why I say no one was more surprised than myself to be invited to this event. But I consider it quite an honor. I've been working closely with the Ailunce and RETEVIS folks on the HA1 UV to get some of the bugs worked out. My mind is very methodical, and I'm able to provide constructive feedback as to where the weaknesses are, what I propose as a solution, and then testing what the engineering team comes back with. With that, Julia, I'll turn it back to you.
Hi, Scott. Hi. It's just a shorter introduction segment. Did you? I saw you share some insights and insurance about H1UV. It's okay. It's our next part. No worries. And thank you very much for taking time to join our live stream. We truly appreciate. Okay, let's give our attention to Clayton and look forward to his introduction. Self-introduction. Thank you. Welcome.
Hey, thank you, Julia, and thank you guys for having me today. A little background on me, and I want to say hi to Scott too. And sounds like you're good to be there today, and glad to be on here with you. So I started my hobby about 30 years ago, and kind of like Scott, I got into it for public service. I live here in the Midwest, and we have a lot of storms and tornadoes, and so as a kid, I was always scared of them. So I found out about ham radio, and that led me down the road of trying to learn about ham radio, learn about weather spotting, and then found out how much that ham radio plays with public service. So that kind of opened a whole new door for me, and I've been doing that for ever since. I love doing it. And then somehow, I started a communications channel called Disaster Communications, and my slogan is get information, give information. And the thought behind that is there's a lot of people that don't know how to communicate. There's a lot of people that want to learn how to communicate, especially with some of the technology and some of the issues we've had in the past few months, and then past disasters. And we look at some of those disasters and we try to learn from that. And the part of that is that, Scott, I'm not in my fancy studio today. I'm actually in my car right now. This is, we actually have, let me show you this. We're supposed to have some bad weather coming in. And that yellow there, we've got severe weather coming tonight. So I'm actually in my in my field vehicle. This is my mobile command center. Show you here, I'm kind of watching the storms as they come through. And they'll be here a little later this afternoon and this evening, so we're still a couple hours out. Well, they said anywhere from 7 o'clock, so about 45 minutes out from the bad weather. So I need equipment that's going to be dependable when I'm out mobile like this. When I'm doing my weather spotting, we relay that to the National Weather Service, so I need radios that I can depend on and equipment that works. So that's why I'm happy to be here with RETEVIS, and I'm excited about some of the new features. I can't wait to talk about that too here in a little bit. But I'm really impressed, and maybe Scott, you gave some of that good feedback, and I'm excited to talk about that. So, Julia, thanks for having me. Back to you, man.
Okay. Thank you so much for your enthusiastic participation. We are looking forward to your exciting segment coming up. Okay, the Ailunce H1 UV will pour blood, sweat into it, but what real users think? Let's bring up Scott Weaver to share his experience and insights about HA1 UV. Okay, now it's your time, Scott.
All right. Well, I'll say the HA1 UV, you can tell physically looking at it and comparing some of the specs that it's closely related to the HA1G, which is a radio that I already had in use here in my shack and in the field. Clayton, I appreciate the kind words, and that's interesting. You mentioned the weather and some of the events. The HA1G proved itself with me following Hurricane Helene devastating the southeastern United States. Now, I do live near the Charlotte, North Carolina area now, as previously mentioned, but I grew up in the western mountains that were truly devastated. 6 months going on 7 months later, there's still a lot of areas heavily impacted by the storm. But as I was going back into the western part of the state, I found that the radio that I picked up for the volunteer relief and communications and getting in touch with folks there as I was entering the areas that were hardest hit by Helene in North Carolina. I had my mobile radio in the car, but I picked up the HA1G. HA1UV was not out yet, had not quite been released. And I found that radio to be a solid performer. So it was kind of a no-brainer to me to purchase an HA1UV as well when they became available. I'll address the elephant in the room. It was off to a rocky start. There were some improvements to be made, but that was part of the challenge that I accepted and enjoyed as being one of the experiencers through the RETEVIS and Ailunce program. That radio was provided, and in return, I was going to provide valuable feedback on how to improve the product. And I think that the team that has worked together on that, both in the field as users such as myself, influencers that provided their insight, and of course the engineering team behind the scenes making these corrections, has truly come up with a home run product at this point. You didn't see a lot of commentary from me on social media when we came out with the rough start with HA1UV. Behind the scenes, you would have seen a lot of communication between myself and the team at RETEVIS and Ailunce. And one of their taglines, "We are together." And I can tell you, we have worked together to come up with the best solution to provide one of the most value added. And that's not a phrase I really like, but it definitely fits in this case. It's not always about what's the cheapest radio or what's the most expensive radio. We can all agree that somewhere in between is what radio offers the best value for the money you're spending. And I believe now that Ailunce and RETEVIS have listened to the consumers in the field, made the improvements that were suggested. I think the HA1UV provides some of the best value out there in return of what you get for what you give. So that said, I'll turn it back to Julia, get a few more comments from Clayton, and we'll go from there. But I just find the HA1UV to be a really solid performer at an attractive price point. And I'll talk more in a little bit about whether you're a new user or whether you're an experienced user, why I feel the HA1UV is a great fit for anyone in the radio hobby.
Well, Scott, thank you so much. Those insights were so good. Massive thanks for keeping it real and showing Ailunce HD2 some love. And a big thanks to Scott for your support of RETEVIS Ailunce. We know there are still some we can improve, and our team will continue to work hard and constant improvement. We will keep creating better products in the future. We really appreciate you, Scott. Thank you so much again. And you will get an exclusive RETEVIS VIP backpack. Thank you so much, Scott. Thank you. And all right, everyone. Now it's time for our first round of giveaways. First round of giveaways. Who is excited?
Oh, I'm excited.
Yeah. This time you need to type ham in the comments for a chance to win of our RETEVIS brand merchandise. Okay, let's get started. Please look at the big screen. Just type ham in the comments.
I feel like we need some background music. Dum dum. Drum roll, please.
Yeah. Type ham in the comments. Okay. It's our cap. We also have t-shirts and bags.
And folks, I'll go ahead and
go ahead, Scott.
I'll attest when they do these drawings, it's real. I've got one of the carry bags and a hat that I've won in previous promos on here.
Nice.
So folks, get that entry in there, and good luck.
They have some nice swag, don't they? I seen that chest rig thing, and I was like, oh man, with the reflective, and so they've got some pretty nice swags for sure.
Just tap ham. Okay, we have got 10 seconds left, everyone. 10 seconds left. Get ready after countdown.
Right.
I will start drawing our first lucky winner. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's go. Oh, who? Oh,
John.
Congratulations,
John.
Congratulations. Awesome.
Oh, Joe. Sorry, I don't know how to pronounce the name. And congratulations.
Sergion or something, yeah.
Yeah. And please keep an eye on the comments, and our team will reach out to you and tell me how to claim your prize.
Very good. Congratulations,
okay.
John.
Congratulations.
Okay, all right. Let's get real about what customers are saying. And now we're going to check the Amazon's review we pulled up. Okay. Okay, as we can see, the keywords, okay, solid radio at a low cost. And the build quality and impressive and great performance. Oh, it looks so great, so good. But, okay, everyone, but we ain't perfect. Some of you called out our issues, and we heard you. Thank you for your support. We have fixed some issues based on our users' suggestions, so we can have this live. Remember our Ask Us Anything event. Thank you for all your enthusiastic participation. According to the rules, we will add 60 Ailunce points to the 2 winners, and the winners will be announced on the Facebook after the live. The 2 winners are Scott Weaver, it's one of our guests, Thank you so much, Gord. And number 2 is Aerobancho. Thank you so much. I'm not sure if you're in the live now.
Very cool.
Yes, okay. All right, everyone. Now it's time for our second round giveaways. Oh, second round giveaways.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, we're excited. This time our gift is our chest bag. As you can see here. Looks so great. And this time you need to type RETEVIS in the comments. RETEVIS in the comments. Let's focus on the big screen. Just type RETEVIS. RETEVIS. RETEVIS.
So just put that in the comments and then.
Clayton, here's your chance, sir.
I know that would be nice. You know, especially when you do public service, Scott, like you mentioned, or if you're out working your disasters, like you mentioned there in North Carolina,
Right.
Something with that reflective on there, and having places to put those radios. It's very awesome.
And that's it. I can definitely see your interest there with the storm spotting.
Yes, sir.
Here's the comments. Here's the RETEVIS in the comments.
Getting a little bit more rain here on the windshield. Not a lot, but we're getting some.
Okay, everyone, 10 seconds left.
Oh.
10 seconds left. After the countdown, I will start drawing our lucky winner. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's go. Oh, whoa. Who? Oh, congratulations, Paro. Congratulations. You're gonna get a chest bag. This one is for you.
And we don't see it. How do you spell it?
Okay. Please keep an eye on the comments and our team will reach out to you to tell you how to claim your prize.
Very good.
Okay.
Congratulations.
Yes, congratulations. It's your chest bag now. And we are always happy to communicate with our users and listen to their feedback. In this live stream, we are excited to have invite YouTuber Disaster Communications. Yeah. Hi.
Thank you.
Yeah. He's focused on the disaster communications. Next, we will have an exciting connect with Clayton. Okay, hi Clayton. Now it's all your stage now.
Hi Julia, thank you so much. You know, I've got to admit with what Scott was saying about how RETEVIS listens, and I can tell this looks like the HD2. It looks real similar, but one thing that I'm really excited about, if anybody's ordered, and I think we all know that most Chinese radios come with the other SMA. One of the things that I was most excited about when I got this is it's the regular SMA that most of our other radios use. So, like inside my car here, I've got a lot of different radios. They mount in here. Like here's one here, just another RETEVIS, and so when I hook them to the outside of my car, because again, most of our cars are like Faraday cages. So when you pull it in here, it doesn't receive as better. So you hook up the external antenna on the car, and now that's probably the simplest thing that I got most excited about. And not only that, but just the build quality. You can put this in the water for like 30 meters but like right now, see, check it out, it's raining. So if I need to go outside and do something, if I need to pump gas or anything like that, I don't have to worry about anything happening to this. it will handle it. If I drop it, it's, you know, I've worked with our emergency planners for this week. I just had a meeting yesterday, and one of the big concerns is this rain event that's coming in. It's going to be here for all weekend, and we're expecting quite a bit of rain. So the discussion of flooding was taking place. So if you're out providing communications, or maybe you're at your house and it's starting to flood, you don't have to worry if this fell off and fell into a stream or something like that. It's not going to quit working. It's still going to work. And so I really like that. It also has the weather alert feature. But you know what? The coolest thing about this, and I told them I wouldn't say anything that it would get them in trouble, but a lot of people bought another brand radio, and there's a lot of them. So maybe you know which one I'm talking about. But honestly, for the price point for this radio is pretty much the same, in plus or minus a few cents or whatever. But the difference is you can drop this. This is not a cheap plastic, so it's molded. It's got the dual PTT buttons on it. And so you could be listening on one band, both bands, and key up the other one on, you know, one at a time. But the fact that it's weatherproof, waterproof, dustproof, IP67 rating, has the SMA adapter, or the SMA that we all like on there so well, and they definitely listen. Also, I will say early on, like Scott was saying, one of the first radios that came out with them, some people were saying it was real spurious. And I watched a guy do the test on these, and they've really got it cleaned up. It looks really nice. So, Scott, I appreciate people like you that give them feedback. It's one thing you could go bash a company and just say, you know, I hate this, I don't like that. But then when you give positive feedback or constructive feedback, and then that company actually listens. And I'm from Missouri. We call it the show me state. So I like to see it to believe it. So when I see stuff like that, it tells me that the company's listening and listening to its customers, you know, looking for the feedback and stuff like that. So whether you're a homeowner, maybe you live in, and now you don't even say disaster zones, because we're finding that disaster zones, like in North Carolina, that was unprecedented. They never had anything like that. So anywhere now potentially could be a disaster zone. And when you're there, you need something that you can depend on and trust and not question if it's going to be usable when the time comes. Another thing, 2,800 milliamp hour battery. I hardly ever charge it, 2 or 3 days or something like that, and it sits in here. But the other thing I love about it too, and I'm so glad radios are taking it, and RETEVIS is one of the ones taking the forefront on this as well, USB-C charging. That is huge. I can now charge that with just a USB cord right here in the car. So if I'm in the field and I'm out all day doing an event or something like that, or storm spotting, if I don't have to worry about having battery, because it will plug in. But 2,800 milliamp hour battery, amazing. That if I'm not transmitting a lot, most of the time I'll go a week just listening to it. And I've got the weather alert feature on now because I'm hoping, not really. I don't want, this sounds bad, but they may actually issue some kind of warning, and I thought it would be kind of cool to hear that on here. But another thing, super loud speaker. If it's raining or hailing, no problem hearing that. So a lot of great features, a lot of good benefits, but honestly, that price point, you need to go check it out. It's worth it. This does have that real fancy Motorola style plug for the speaker mic. It's a waterproof plug that goes on. Now the thing about that is it screws in, so it's not going to pull out. Like if you got that harness, the chest rig that they were showing, you have it in there in the pouch, and you're moving that speaker around, you're cutting a tree or whatever, that's not going to come unplugged on you. So another great benefit. And you know, a lot of our volunteer firefighters and first responders, they're used to really high-end name brand radios that a lot of the features I just mentioned would normally cost several $1,000s. And I'm sure Scott's worked around some of those radios in his dispatch and stuff. And it takes special people to program those radios. But something like this, You can plug it in. It works off the computer. You can easily to program. You can program it from the faceplate if you want to. A lot of us have gotten spoiled to like that program Chirp. I saw that on one of the comments there. And so we're hoping Chirp will hurry up and get the, it's still a new radio, so Chirp has to get the communication for this radio to make it work. So I'm excited about it, Julie. You guys have done a great job. This is my third HT from you guys, and then I just keep seeing it going forward. So I'm looking forward to see what else RETEVIS comes out with in the future. So back to you, Julie and Scott.
Okay, thank you so much, Clayton. A big thank you, Clayton, for the amazing connection, and we hope you can make more videos about the Ailunce HA1 UV when you're using in the outdoors. Thank you so much. We hope you can do this, and we hope. Thank you so much again. And sorry we didn't share our screen just now. It's okay. We're gonna have a two round giveaways. Now it's time to back our giveaway time. Okay, everybody, please retype the RETEVIS again. Please retype RETEVIS again. Sorry. It's okay. Give it time.
No worries.
Sorry. Yeah, sorry. We are so sorry about that.
It's a live broadcast. We deal with that all the time. You may have a dog run across or a kid running and screaming, or you never know.
Yeah.
It does happen.
You. Yeah.
Look there.
Please, everyone.
40 entries. That's good. Still great odds of winning for folks that are debating whether to enter their name or enter the RETEVIS name.
So just type in RETEVIS in the comments section, and you'll be thrown in that drawing there.
Yeah, thank you so much, Clayton. Okay, everybody, all type RETEVIS in comments. We're gonna draw now. Okay, 10 seconds left, everyone. 10, 9, 8. Okay, we can together. 6,
5, 4,
3, 2,
2, 1.
Let's go.
A lot more names. Let's see who our winner is tonight.
Wow.
Oh, congratulations, Lily. Congratulations. You're going to win a chest bag.
Nice, Lau. Good job.
Yep.
Yes,
good job, Lau. Congratulations.
Okay, now. Don't go. Still a round of giveaways. This time, our gift is our RETEVIS Ailunce VIP backpack. Oh, everybody can see?
Wow, that's nice.
Oh, it's rocked and big.
That'll be good for somebody that likes to do POTA or parks on the air and stuff.
Definitely so.
That'll be awesome.
Great for that. Great for bug out.
Yeah, this time you need to have Ailunce and comments. Okay, nice. Let's focus on the big screen.
So Ailunce.
Yeah, Ailunce.
Hey Julia, one of my viewers texted me and asked me to ask you, are you a ham also? They're asking if you're a ham.
Oh, sorry. We need to focus on the giveaway now. Ailunce, okay. Everyone type Ailunce and comments.
Say AILUNCE.
Yes, don't wait. Hit the comments.
I appreciate that they made it fun. What, about a month ago, asking folks to submit their pronunciation. It's probably the most mispronounced name out there in the market, but you know what? It sticks with you no matter how you say it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we made a video about how to pronounce Ailunce and RETEVIS. It's okay, we're gonna repost it again if you want to know.
Nice.
Everyone? Still have people? Okay, let's see. Comments rolling. Ailunce. 10 seconds left, everyone. It's a giveaway time.
Giveaway time. I like that backpack.
Yeah.
That is nice.
Ailunce. Don't miss it. Okay, 10 seconds left, everyone. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's go. Oh, who? Let's see who gonna get this rock backpack. Oh, congratulations, Blue Ball. Congratulations, Blue Ball. Please keep it on the team. And our team will tell you how to claim your prize.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Oh, wait a second. Sorry, we made this mistake again. We didn't show our screen. Sorry. We're so sorry for our audience. Okay, please forgive us. We're so
No worries.
Yeah, so sorry. We're gonna rejoin it again.
There it was.
Yep.
Yes. Our audience, can you see the screen now?
Yep.
You can see it.
Benjamin Mergic.
Benjamin?
Benjamin, yep.
Everyone. Okay, I need to ask our audience, can you see our winner now? It's Benjamin.
Yep.
Benjamin Mergic.
Okay.
I'm not sure if that's
Congratulations, Benjamin. Okay. Oh, yeah. Sorry, we're so sorry. Oh, yes. Okay. Now, please keep an eye on the comments, and our team will reach out to you to tell you how to claim your prize. Okay, now. Okay, let's back to Julia, back to me. And okay, remember when some of you said the Ailunce HD2 we couldn't step upright? Okay, it's our first live problem. Ailunce HD2 we couldn't stand upright. See, as you can see, I will show it to everyone live. It's ill to stand upright easily. No worries about it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's very stable. And the next problem, okay, a scratched scream drama. Okay, everyone. Okay. Oh, as you can see, your screen is actually double protected. We added 2 films to guard it during shipping. Actually, it's not a real screen. You need to peel it. See? Oh, that's your real screen protector. No worries about it.
Oh, mine's still on.
Yeah,
I did get mine peeled off shortly after receiving the radio. And
Nice.
I can see I put the radio through some abuse, and the screen still looks good. So
Nice.
It's holding up well.
Good.
Okay, we heard you loud on firmware glitches. Data lost after programming, DTMF not dealing, schema issues. No worries, we have fixed those bugs now, and these are the updates fix some known bugs, add a DTMF dialing, upgrade the scan function, add a single tone selection. When scan and monitor NOA, the screen backlight status well, follow the radio backlight time, and press the PPT button scan also is a manual. Okay, after updating the firmware, what features can be enabled? Let's take a look at the VCR together. Okay, let's take a look at VCR together.
This week, we released the HE1 UV latest firmware. The first one, we fixed some known bugs. And the very important second one is the DTMF dialing function. When transmitting, you can press the PTT and then press the number key to transmit the DTMF. And the third one, we upgrade the scan function. Enter the menu and go to the scan menu. You can see here we add a VFO scan site, and you can set the scan condition. Here, current frequency and starting frequency means if you choose current frequency and start the scan, it will scan from the current frequency display on the screen. And if you choose the starting frequency, it will start from the starting frequency you setting here. For example, we set 144 and confirm it, and we choose starting frequency. And if we switch to VFO mode, if long press the scan button, and it will scan begin from 144. And the current frequency is 435, and we switch to current frequency, and it will scan begin 435. Next, you can choose the scan condition, choose carrier or CTC-SS or DCS. Here, the VFO scan mode, and the scan handling time. The fifth and the sixth number menu, you can set in the start frequency and stop frequency. And add the channels quantity to 100 in one scan list. You can here add the channel list on the radio directly. Here have full channel list in this. If there is no more channel, it will not add channel in the list. And also add the new scan list and delete the scan list on the radio. Here we create a new scan list, for example. Choose the scan condition, scan mode, and transmit mode. the design channel selected, it means which channel you will recall back. Choose the priority scan channel. Add the channel list. Save this new scan list. This is the scan list we just created. And if you want to delete one scan list, this is the delete menu. If you choose to use the scan list, you can't delete it. And the next one, some customer reported he want to turn off the backlight when scanning, and in this firmware, when scanning and monitoring the NOAA, the screen backlight status will follow the radio backlight time. For example, a radio finds the backlight if we set the backlight time to 5 seconds, and we test the scan function. It will turn off the backlight in 5 seconds. And the next one, we add a signal tone selection. 1750. We turn off the backlight. A new menu in radio setting, single tone. Choose the single tone. And press PTT and any set key to send a single tone to active different repeaters or call an operator. For example, and on this firmware, we add another easy to use function. When you in any menu, press the PTT, you can exit the menu. When use this firmware, please do a read and write operation in the CPS after the update the firmware. This is very important operation. If you upgrade the firmware successfully, please read and write in the CPS firstly.
Okay, that's all. Okay, here's a little reminder everyone. We upgraded the scan list data structure with firmware and CPS. So after the firmware update, the first thing you need to do is update the code block in the CPS. And this is the list of features updated in our latest firmware upgrade. And we have also received some questions from customers. Sorry, but we are not yet implemented in this product. If you have any further suggestions, please continue to share them with us. We are always here to hear your voice and respect your feedback, and we will continue to improve our products. Okay, now it's our exciting moment. It's our next round giveaways. Okay, this time, everyone focus. This time our giveaway is our new Ailunce HA1 UV. Yeah. It's the time you need to type Ailunce HA1 UV. Just type HA1 UV in the comments. HA1
Folks, that
UV.
is well worth it. If you don't have that radio already, enter now.
Yeah,
that radio is a great value if you're purchasing, but the chance to win one, that's really first rate. Julia, that's awesome that y'all are giving away radio.
Focus on the big screen. Yeah, HA1UV. Type HA1UV in the comments, everyone. Don't miss it.
Julia, I'm still seeing the prize screen, not the draw screen yet. So I know last time we had a little trouble, but right now I'm still seeing that with the prize picture.
Also, everyone, can you see the screen now? HA1UV, the giveaway screen.
There we go. I'm seeing it here. Hopefully the folks on the other
Sorry, because we made some mistake. Just now we need to make sure if you can see the screen. HA1UV, everyone.
Looking good there.
Okay,
folks,
okay.
I'll mention something to give you an extra moment. Now, Julia mentioned about making sure you upgrade the CPS also. That is critical after you upgrade the firmware to have the up-to-date CPS.
Okay.
Folks, you can go up to
sorry, Scott, we need to focus on the giveaway time now. Sorry, Scott. We can talk later.
Not a problem.
Okay. 10 seconds left, everyone. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Someone's going to get a really nice radio here.
Yeah, you will get a very nice video, HA1UV. Let's see who's the winner. Whoa, congratulations, Jules. So I don't know if I pronounced it right. Congratulations. Yep. Yeah, congratulations. Please keep an eye on the comments. Yeah, and our team will reach out to you. Okay. Now, everyone, hands up. How fast the upgraded Ailunce HA1 UV is now back hotter with optimized performance. Today's only get $10 off on your orders reaches $200. Okay, in this promotion, you just simply can purchase the RETEVIS Ailunce HA1 UV or buy any combination of the Ailunce HA1 UV and the RETEVIS Ailunce HS4, RETEVIS Ailunce HD2. If you're reaching a total of $200 and you will receive a $10 discount. Okay, hit the link below to lock your deal now. Yes, you can make a combination. Okay, now it's our exciting moment. Today is April 18 days. It's our World Amateur Radio Day. Let's kick it off. What every home loves is our DMR QSO radio event. Okay, let's move in our DMR QSO event time. We were waiting for you on TG91. Everyone, are you ready? Yeah, I saw Scott. Oh, it's ready now. Yeah. Are you ready, one? Okay, in this segment, to provide more benefits to everyone, we will award a cash prize of $20 to the 5 people who connect with us. However, since we are using the public resource, we will not mention this matter in the future communication, as it does not align with the spirit of our community. So if you successfully connect with us, please log in Facebook and search Ailunce and send us a private message. We will fulfill our promise. No worries, we will fulfill it. Now, I'd like to hand it over to our product manager, Yolanda. And everyone, please welcome Yolanda. It's our beautiful Yolanda. Yolanda.
Hi, everyone. I'm Yolanda. Nice to meet you here. Now I will start the communication use Ailunce HD2 with the hotspots. Are you ready? CQ. This is Bravo India 6 Kilo Sierra calling and standing by. Over.
KG8 RRY. KG8 RRY standing by.
CQ KG8 RRY. I'm Yolanda, Bravo India 6 Kilo Sierra. Can you call me? Over.
Can you call me? All right, very good. Oh, I lost my line. KE6GAE. That name here is Randy. I'm in Pontiac, Michigan. 91 is very busy, apparently. And, yep, working on an NH878 going into my local 5-star hotspot. And I think my hotspot's getting to be a little slow. I need to buy one that's a little faster. Let's get hard to key up. So, all right. We have a nice hot day here, up to 80 degrees. Now it's starting to rain a little bit, but all right, I'll pass it back to you. What was the name on that? That name's Randy here. KE6GAE KWG.
CQ. This is Bravo India 6 Kilo Sierra calling and standing by. Over.
ER6 KSS Kilo Echo 6 Golf Alpha Echo.
CQ Kilo Echo 6 Golf Alpha Echo. This is Bravo India 6 Kilo Sierra. Can you receive my signal? Over.
Bravo India 6 Kilo Sierra. This is KE6GAE, and yes, I am receiving your signal, and you're loud and clear into the cover.
Yeah, Kilo Echo 6 Golf Alpha Echo. I received your signal, and thanks for your coming back to my call. I'm using Ailunce HD2, located in Zhengzhou City, China. Nice to meet you on the air. Over.
Thank you on that. I'm actually using my HD2 as well, and I'm in Springfield, Missouri, and my hand club has a great relationship with RETEVIS. So I appreciate you getting on and making the contact on watching my live stream at the same time.
CQ Kilo Echo 6 Golf Alpha Echo. This is Bravo India 6 Kilo Sierra. I'm very glad to contact you. Have a good day. 73. Bye-bye.
India 6 Kilo Sierra, India 6 Kilo Sierra, Vivian. Do you copy? We try to call again.
Hello. I copy your call sign is Victory Unique 3 India Tango India. Is it right? Over.
India 6 Kilo
Vivian. This is Victor Rini from Pui, India, Tango, India, Kuwait turning. The time is 5:37 a.m. on a Saturday morning. Name is Varadhan, like Victor Alpha Romeo Alpha, Delta Alpha November. Location is Bangalore City, southern part of India. It's about 27 degrees Celsius. Very good copy from your end, madam. Bravo India 6 kilos, Sierra. We are for India, Tango, India, over.
This is Bravo India 6 Kilo Sierra. Thanks for your coming back to my call, and I'm very glad to contact with you. Have a nice day, and 73.
Hello, India 6 kilos, Sierra. We are for India, Tango, returning. I wish for your good health and happiness forever to you and your family. 73 to you and your family. Namaste from India. Thanks for this. See my photo on the QSO.com. Bravo India 6 kilos, Sierra. Vivian. We are for Ethiopia. Namaste.
Okay, now.
Sierra, November 2, Victor, Papa Julian. Roll 8, Radio, Yankee. KG8RRY, Jerry, in Ohio, do you copy?
CQ Kilo Golf 8, Romeo Yango. And this is Bravo India 6 Kilo Sierra. And thanks for your coming back to my call. And I'm using Ailunce HD2. Very glad to contact with you. Have a good day.
You have a good day.
It's amazing.
Thank you very much. This is Kilo Golf
He's using Ailunce HD2 as well.
And I am standing by.
What a super surprise.
Bravo India 6, Kilo Sierra, November 2, Victor Papa Julia.
CQ November 2, Victory Papa Julia. This is Bravo India 6 Kilo Sierra. I received your signal and very glad to contact with you on the air. Over.
India 6, Kilo.
CQ W4 Lima Michael Charlie. This is Bravo India 6 Kilo Sierra. I'm very glad to contact with you on the air. Have a good day.
Papa Julia. Bravo India 6. Sierra. This is Whiskey 4 with my Charlie. I saw you on the live stream, but I don't think you made it through on the DMR.
The voice is not very clear. I copy your call sign is W4 Lima Michael Charlie. Is it right? Over.
6 Kilo Sierra, that is correct. The call sign is Whiskey 4 Lima Michael Charlie.
Yes, I copy your call sign. Whiskey 4 Lima Michael Charlie. This is Bravo India 6 Kilo Sierra. Thank you for coming back to my call. And I'm using Ailunce HD2. Located in Zhengzhou City, China. Nice to meet you on the air.
It's
It's nice to meet you as well. 73 to you. If you, this is Whiskey 4, Lima Mike Charlie.
73.
73. Yeah, 6 ASS, Kilo Charlie 1, that's November.
Kilo Sierra Sierra. This is Kilo Charlie 9, November United Whiskey. Conrad from Palatine, Illinois.
CQ Kilo Charlie 9, November Unico Whiskey. This is Bravo India 6, Kilo Sierra Sierra. I'm very glad to contact with you. Have a good day.
Thank you for the contact as well. My name is Conrad. I'm coming to you from Palatine, Illinois, and the temperature right now is about, I guess, 22 degrees Celsius. It's about $1,900 local time. Like I said, my name is Conrad. I'm very glad to make the contact with you. Can I have your name, please, and your location?
CQ Kilo Charlie 9, November Unico Whiskey, Conrad. I think my pronounce is right. I'm very glad to contact with you on the air. Have a good day to you and your family. 73.
Okay, this gonna be our last person with our connect.
The name pronunciation correct. 73, and good luck for you and your family. Can I have your name, please? What is your name, please? Thank you.
73, everyone. Finished.
Bravo India 6, Kilo Sierra Sierra, Vivian. This is VK2GAB in Sydney, Australia.
$73, everyone.
CQ Victory Kilo 2 Golf Alpha Papa. This is Bravo India 6 Kilo Sierra Sierra. I'm very glad to contact with you. Have a nice day.
Okay, this is our last person. Look, what a wonderful segment. Yeah, the radio atmosphere is still so lively. Hearing everyone's voice today is truly valuable experience. I like to say that friend who successfully connect with us in the live room should be, and you can log in the Facebook and search for Ailunce and leave a message. We will honor to commitment to the event after the segment. And in this segment, we see some people don't know how to use DMR radio, how to use DMR to connect. And some of you even don't have a DMR radio. And now I'm gonna let our beautiful Yolanda, I'm gonna let our beautiful Yolanda to introduce our Ailunce HD2. Ailunce HD2 is a DMR radio, and after the part, we're gonna have a give a time, and we're gonna let you have Ailunce HD2 is a DMR radio. If you get it, you can use it with our connect next time, everyone. Okay, let's hand it to Yolanda.
Hi, I'm very happy to introduce some information about the HD2. First, HD2 is a strong and sturdy radio, just like some Ham said, as strong as a hammer. It is HS4 waterproof and dustproof. HD2 support Type-C charger, easy for charging. HD2 is an front panel programming radio. 90% of settings can be completed via the radio keypad. Short price exit, we can switch VFO and channel mode. Once enter the VFO mode, long press this key and we can switch analog and digital mode. Then enter the band A or B set. We can set all the information and save it as a channel. Only with the keypad. HD2 support double PTT. It is very useful. You can set a set key as the sub PTT. Press PTT to transmit the A band and press the sub PTT to transmit the B band. No need to switch the main and sub channel. Another HD2 has a built-in Bluetooth module. You can use the RETEVIS Bluetooth earpiece and speaker mic with it. For the display, HD2 supports to adjust brightness. You can set the radio to different brightness according to your environment. And the HD2 has the night mode. You can also choose whether to enable it. HD2 support tri-band. In IARU Region 2, you can use 225 MHz. The US version supports NOAA weather scan and alert, giving you real-time reminders of weather conditions. As the number of DMR ID registrations increase, HD2 increases the number of stored contacts. The address book contact increase from 200,000 to 500,000. The priority contact increase from 1,000 to 5,000. You can edit the priority contact via the radio keypad very easily. In addition to the functions mentioned above, HD2 dual-band, dual-mode DMR radio also supports GPS, a 3,200 large capacity battery, high power, FM broadcast, cross-band receive and transmit, 30,000 channels, DCDM, scan, and so on. Regarding the high power, HD2 added a low power of 0.5 watts for using hotspots, just like MMDVM. In VFO mode, HD2 supports setting a scan start frequency and end frequency, more convenient for our daily use. HD2 has many other designs worthy of your expectation. Of course, there is still room to improvement. You are welcome to give us more feedback and suggestions. We will continue to update the firmware and make HD2 better and better. Thank you.
Okay, let's back to Julia. And since our Ailunce HD2 launch, the Ailunce HD2 has been loved by many customers. Okay, this time you can enjoy a $10 discount on orders over $200. You're welcome to purchase it together with other products. Once your total order amount reaches $200, you will receive a $10 off. And the link has already been shared in the comments section. And now it's our exciting moment, our giveaway time. Okay, this time the giveaway. Okay, you need to tap HD2 in the comments. HD2 in the comments. Our gift is our amazing Ailunce HD2. Everyone touch HD2 in the comments. Okay, let's focus on the big screen.
These prizes just keep getting better each time.
HD2 in the comments. Everyone, if you want to get a DMR radio, It's your chance now. Ailunce HD2, please tap HD2 in the comments. Everyone, don't hesitate. Everyone,
folks, if you're not familiar with
yeah.
the HD2, works in DMR as well as regular FM, correct, Julia? You can use that on regular repeaters as well as DMR.
Yes, the HAE1 UV is a DM analog radio, and the Ailunce HD2 is a DMR radio.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, we need to focus on our giveaway. Okay, 10 seconds left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Okay, who's our lucky winner? You will get a new Ailunce HD2. Wow. Congratulations, Daniel. Congratulations,
Daniel.
Yeah, please keep on the comments, and our team will reach out to you. Okay, now let's. Okay, back to Julia. Okay, let's take another look at the Ailunce HS4 and listen to our product manager's explanation about it. Okay, it's your time now, Yolanda.
Hi. Now I will show you some information about the Ailunce HS4. Okay. HS4 is a 10-meter SSB ham radio. High-power mobile transceiver has strong penetration, offers a long-range communication. Shortwave design breaks the communication limitation. 10-meter radio communicates stably and smoothly. HS4 not only support squelch function, but also support noise reduction function. Whether the transmitter is in a noisy environment, operators receive clearly. HS4 increase flexibility of use through the PAAM, FM, USB, LSB, CW mode. Meanwhile, CW mode make it secure to communicate by connecting the external mouse device to communicate. HS4 support A, B, C, D, E, F frequency band. It provides operators with flexible communication options. No matter where you are, choose the proper one to achieve communication. HS4 can watch and receive on two frequencies. Operators won't miss important calls. It is also come with a lock key, can prevent changing frequencies or setting from miss operators, especially during busy period. HS4 support adjusting the frequency by routing the VFO knob based on the operational step values, making operators more convenient. And it displays the complete frequency and function operations on the LCD. Display on the channel number on the LCD, whether whenever or wherever. Operators easily check the radio information. HS4 also support SW protection. It can protect it from the damage when the SWR is too high. I hope this information can help you understand HS4. And you also can leave messages or write emails to us if you want to get more information about it. And the next step is worth looking forward to, and now the leadership has been handed over to Julia.
Okay, let's back to Julia. And if you want to get Ailunce HS4, it's a great radio in it. And you will get 10 off when your order reaches $200. You can bundle your purchase with the Ailunce HD2, HS4, and HS1 UV. Whatever, when your orders reaches $200. And now let's move on the last exciting moment. It's our last round giveaways, everyone. Yeah, you're so good at. We don't need to see you already tap HS4. Yes, you're so good. At this time, you need to tap HS4 in the comments, everyone. Our gift. You will get a great radio HS4, everyone. Okay, let's focus on the big screen. Focus on the big screen. Tap HS4 in the comments. Okay. Let's see the comments rolling in. Tap HS4 and get ready to win. Come on, everyone. Come on, everyone. HS4. HS4, tap HS4 in the comments. Okay, come on, everyone. Drop HS4 in the comments if you want a chance to win a great radio. Everyone, don't wait. I'm not sure if everyone already typed. If you don't type, you won't miss this chance. Okay, don't miss this great chance. Okay, everyone, it's almost a time. I need to make sure everyone already typed HS4. If you don't, we won't pick you. HS4, everyone. It's our last round giveaways. Okay, it's almost time. Gather comments now. We're about to pick a winner. 10 seconds left. Everyone, 10 seconds left. Type HS4 in the comments, everyone. Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Let's see who is the winner. Wow. Thank you so much, Shaquin. Congratulations. Please keep an eye on the comments and our team will reach out to you. Yes, thank you so much. Congratulations. Okay. Let's back to Julia. Okay, I saw the winner almost Jeff. Thank you so much, Jeff. Thanks for your support of RETEVIS Ailunce. Okay, now. Yeah, congratulations. Oh, don't be sad. We're gonna hold the event more in the future. Yes, congratulations. Okay, everyone. Our live stream now is almost over. And it's almost over. I'm so happy to have interacted with you all today. I know that many of you asked product-related questions and had other inquiries during the stream. No worries, everyone. No worries, everyone. For any questions we didn't get a chance to answer live, we'll be posting following up response. And please stand to the Ailunce Facebook account where we will actively provide updates and answers. And today, that's the end of today's live stream. But we will hosting more exciting events in the future, everyone. Everyone, goodbye. Thank you all for your support of RETEVIS Ailunce. And I'm Julia. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a message on the Facebook, on the Ailunce Facebook. And thank you so much. See you, everyone. And don't go. If you have any questions, up next is a 10-minute commitment interaction section. Everyone. Yeah, thank you so much. And our team will engaging with you in the comment section. Yes, thank you so much, everyone. If you have any questions, you can leave a message on Ailunce Facebook. Okay, goodbye, everyone. See you. Goodbye, 73.